Problems on market value in shares and dividend. So let us see one question in this based on this market value how to calculate. A man buys rupees 80 share in a company which pays 20% dividend. Okay, 80 is the face value, paying 20% dividend. He buys these shares at such price that his profit is 16% on his investment. At what price did he buy the share? Okay, so he buys this shares at price that is profit is 16% of his investment. Let us find out investment. Now when you come to this, the dividend or profit given by the company on one share is 20% of 80 because face value is given, right? Face value is equals to 80 and dividend is 20%. That means profit or dividend given by the company on one share. Dividend on one share is equals to 20% of this 80. 20% of 80 is 20 by 100 into 80. Cancel this, calculate 16. Rupees 16 is dividend on one share. So the profit is given by the company on one share is rupees 16. Okay, and suppose the man buys one share for rupees X. Market value is don't know. Let us take market value be rupees X. So one share. Suppose the man buys one share for rupees X. So let market value of one share is equals to taken as X. Let us find out. His profit is 16% of X because the profit is 16% on investment. One share profit they are getting 16. So therefore his profit is equal to 16% of X. 16% on his investment. So he is invested rupee X. Market value of one share is let be rupees X. Okay, and we have to find out his profit is 16% of X. Now the 16% of X is nothing but 16 by 100 into X, right? So 16X by 100. Account the statement, this value should be equals to this 16. So dividend on one share, profit is giving 16 rupees, is getting profit 1600 by X. So then according to condition 16x by 100 is equals to 16 because dividend on one share, profit on one share is rupees 16. Let be market value of one share is X, 16% on his investment. He buys these shares 16% of investment by investing rupee X to 16. So 16% of X is equal to 16 now. You can simplify this. X is equal to 16 into 100 divided by 16. Cancel, will get 100. Okay, so a man buys each share for rupees 100. So directly that is the market value is rupees 100. Okay, and same problem we can do direct method also. There one simple formula I'll show here. If you require you can use this one. Rate of dividend. Direct if you want. Rate of dividend into face value. That is equal to profit percent into market value. Profit percentage, that means return into market value. Okay, you can apply directly this formula also to get this answer straight away. Let us apply this one. Rate of dividend according to the problem. Okay, 20%. 20% into face value is 80. That should be equals to profit is 16%, right, into market value. Yes, from this you can calculate directly. So MV is equals to so 20 by 100 into 80 into 16%. No, 16 by 100 becomes 100 by 16. Yeah, so you can calculate this directly, you get the answer. Same 100 cancel. 16 times 1 5. If 20 into 5 is 100. Okay, this is the formula also you can apply for the shares and dividend. Rate of dividend into face value is equal to profit percentage into market value. It will be same. Okay, so these are the problems when to find out the market value you can apply.